Again a very good morning to all my dear students. Now we are going to do exercise 13.1. Chapter 13 surface area and volume. In exercise 13.1 we have to find out the surface area of cube and cuboid. Question first is that a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. It is open at the top. First, find the area of sheet required to make the box. Length equals to 1.5 meter, breadth equals to 1.25 meter and height of this plastic box equals to 65 centimeter. Length equals to 1.5, breadth equals to 1.25 and height equals to 65 centimeter. This box is open from the top, open from here top. Find the area of this plastic box. Means here we have not find the area of this part because it is open from top. Length and breadth are given in meter, but height is in given centimeter. First convert centimeter into meter. 65 centimeter equals to 65 upon 100 equals to 0.65 meter. So height equals to 0.65 meter. Now all the dimensions are in same units. Find the area. Area will be covered surface area plus L into B. Area its lower part. We have not find here total surface area. Why? Because it is open from the top. So we can find covered surface area and area of its lower part. Area of its lower part which is in the shape of rectangle and area of rectangle is L into B. Covered surface area of cuboid 2H into L plus B plus L into B. Here H equals to 0.65 into L. L is 1.5 plus 1.25 plus L. 1.5 into 1.25. If we multiply 2 by 0.65 then 1.30 into 1.5 plus 1.25 2.75 plus 1.5 into 1.25 1.875. 1.3 multiplied by 2.75 then 3.574 plus 1.875. This will be equals to 5.450 meter square. So area of this plastic box if it is open from the top will be 5.450 meter square. Second part says that find the cost of sheet for it if measuring 1 meter square equals to rupees 20. 1 meter square equals to rupees 20. Then total cost will be area multiplied by rate. Rate 1 meter square equals to rupees 20. Then total cost equals to 20 into 5.450. This will be equals to 109. So the total cost at the area 5.450 meter square will be rupees 109. Question number first is complete. Now we are going towards question number 2. Question number 2 is that the length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing at its 4 walls and its ceiling. Find the cost of whitewashing at its 4 walls and its ceiling. This part also. And the 4 walls. Question number 2. Length. of room equals to 5 meter. Its breadth equals to 4 meter and its height equals to 3 meter. 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing at its 4 walls and its ceiling. First find area. Area of 4 walls and its ceiling. Area of 4 walls equals to covered surface area plus ceiling. Ceiling and roof. Ceiling or roof which are in the shape of rectangle. So area of rectangle equals to L into B. Covered surface area 2H into L plus B plus L into B. Here H is 3. 2 into 3. L is 5. B is 4 plus 5 into 4. 2, 3, 6 into 5 plus 4, 9 plus 5 into 4, 20. 6 into 9. 6 into 9, 54 plus 20 is equal to 74 meter square. So area of 4 walls and ceiling is 74 meter square. Now find the cost. Total cost equals to area into rate. Cost at 1 meter square. Area is 74 and cost at 1 meter square is rupees 7.50. If we multiply 74 by 7.50, then 555 comes. Rupees 555. So the total cost at the 4 walls and ceiling is rupees 555. Now question number 2 is complete. We are going towards question number 3. Question number 3 is that the floor of a rectangle hole has perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height of the room. Perimeter, question number 3. Perimeter is given equals to 250 meter. This is the hole in the shape of cuboid, in which perimeter is given 250 meter. You have to find out the height and total cost is given. Total cost equals to rupees 15,000. Rate equals to rupees 10 per meter square. Then you can calculate area with the help of these two terms. Area will be total cost upon rate. Area equals to total cost upon rate equals to 15,000 upon 10 equals to 1500. 0 is cancelled by 0. So area of 4 walls will be 1500 meter square. Area of 4 walls equals to 1500 and we know that area of 4 walls 2H into L plus B. This will be equals to 1500. 2H, write H here. 2 into L plus B into H. Order of integers can change in multiply. So you can write 2 into L plus B into H equals to 1500. Value of this perimeter 2 into L plus B 250 into H equals to 1500. So we